Hi guys, okay. Ituloy natin ngayon naman. Usapan natin ang MaxiCare HMO. So, ano ba tong MaxiCare HMO? So, let me share my screen. Yeah, so, yan. Okay, ito na. So, this is MaxiCare. This is for 2025 rates. Okay? So, ano ba yung kasama dito sa MaxiCare? So, ano lang natin ha, i-zoom in lang natin para makita nyo. Okay? So, this Maxicare is a leader in healthcare services. It's a Maxicare Healthcare Corporation, a premium quality healthcare na 37 years in the industry and trusted name among top corporations and individuals. Okay? So, ito yung mga benefits niya. Inpatient benefits, room and board accommodation, use of operating room, ICU, isolation room, recovery rooms, um, PF ng mga attending physicians, surgeons, anesthesiologists, and cardiopulmonary clearance before surgery and cardiac. Monitoring during surgery. Standard nursing services, medicines for inpatient use, blood product and transfusion and intravenous fluids, including blood screening and cross-matching, X-ray lab exams, mga diagnostic tests, and therapeutic procedure incidental to confinement. Mga dressings, conventional cast, and sutures, kasali din dyan sa inpatient. So, anesthesia and its administration, oxygen and its administration, kasali dyan. Standard admission kit, and all other items directly related in the medical management of a patient as deemed medically necessary by the attending affiliated physician. So, note that MaxCare and every other HMO are required to file PhilHealth, and for non-PhilHealth members, will pay the portion of the PhilHealth. So, pag hindi ka member ng PhilHealth, ikaw yung mag-shell out ng portion na dapat kay PhilHealth. Okay? So, importante yan na dapat may PhilHealth ka. So, ano yung salient features nito? For the Platinum Plus, which is large private, it's 250,000 MBL. So, it's per illness per benefit per year. So, Platinum, it's regular private, 200,000. Gold, regular private, 150,000. Silver, semi-private, it's also 100,000. Okay. Ano yung mga outpatient benefits niya? Ito yung mga outpatient benefits niya. Medyo mahaba siya, pero let's isa-isahin natin. Okay? So, my eye laser therapy only for retinal tear, retinal hole, retinal detachment, and glaucoma, as prescribed by an affiliated physician specialist, and up to 10,000 per eye per member per year. And eye correction such as LASIK surgery, LASIK, PRK, and the like are not covered. Okay? So, electrocauterization, electrocauterization or of skin lesions such as warts, flat warts, pengular warts, um, iba pang warts, molluscum contagiosum in any part of the body prescribed by an affiliated physician or specialist is up to 1,000 per member per year. Sclerotherapy for varicose veins, except medicines and for cosmetic purposes, is up to 5,000. Allergic testing is up to 2,500 per year. Speech therapy for stroke patients only, coverage up to 10,000 per year on a reimbursement basis. And consultations is also part of the limit. So tuberculin test is also 600 pesos per year per member. So yung mga diagnostic procedures, all diagnostic procedures medically necessary for treatment is 100% covered up to the MBL except arthrocentesis up to 6 sessions subject to MBL. Continuous positive airway pressure is up to 60,000 per member per year. Shared limit for outpatient and inpatient. Dialysis is up to 12 sessions, subject to the limit also. In the non-oral chemotherapy for cancer treatment only, up to 12 sessions, subject to MBL. Oral therapy, oral chemotherapy for cancer treatment only, up to 60,000 per year per member, shared limit for inpatient and outpatient. Physical therapy or occupational therapy, excluding subspecialties such as cardiac rehabilitation, pulmonary rehabilitation, and the like, is up to 12 sessions per member per year, subject to the limit. So therapy of one body area shall be considered as one session. Okay. So therapeutic radiology, brachytherapy up to 12 sessions, cobalt up to 12 sessions, linear accelerator therapy until 12 sessions subject to MBL, radioactive cesium up to 12 sessions subject to MBL, radioactive iodine up to 12 sessions subject to MBL. Transshort microwave therapy of prostate covered ng up to 25,000 per member per year. And shared for outpatient and inpatient. Stapled hemorrhoidectomy is covered up to 10,000 per member per year also. Okay. So for the ultrasound, except for maternity-related cases, covered siya up to 5,000 per member per year. Esophageal manometry covered up to 5,000 per member per year. Intensified modulated radiotherapy covered ng up to 10,000 per member per year. A shared limit for outpatient and inpatient. Botox, which is not for cosmetic in nature, nor for beautification purpose, covered up to 5,000 per member per year. Positron emission tomography or PET scan, covered siya up to 5,000 per member per year. CT, pulmonary angiography, covered up to 5,000 per member per year, and other modalities covered up to 5,000 per member per year siya. Okay? So, for emergency care naman, any affiliated hospitals covered siya for doctor services and ER fees, medicines used for immediate relief and during treatment as long as it's medically necessary, oxygen, intravenous fluids, and blood products, dressings, conventional cast, or plaster of Paris and sutures, kasali, initial treatment of animal bites shall be covered for the first 24 hours from the time of bite, subject to MBL cost and except cost of vaccines. And lastly, it's the X-ray laboratory diagnostic examinations and other medical services related to the emergency treatment of the patient. For sa non-affiliated hospital naman, non-affiliated hospitals within the Philippines um, shall be reimbursed up to 8% of the actual hospital bills and 8% of the professional fee based on MaxiCare rates incurred during the first 24 hours of treatment up to 30,000 pesos per availment. Then areas without, pag within the Philippines and siya. Pag sa mga areas without affiliated hospitals within the Philippines, let's say nasa bundok-bundok ka na, MaxiCare shall reimburse 100% of the total hospital bills and professional fees based on MaxiCare rates. Outside of the Philippines, pag sa labas ka naman, MaxiCare shall reimburse 100% actual cost up to 30,000 pesos per availment per member. So take note, this is for emergency cases only. Okay, hindi pwede yung for treatment lang. So pag treatment dito ka sa Philippines. So for ambulance service, MaxiCare will cover road ambulance service for transfers from affiliated hospital to another affiliated hospital up to MBL and 2,500 per conduction if it is from a non-affiliated hospital to an affiliated hospital on reimbursement basis. So it is very important also that we call MaxiCare hotline within the first 24 hours in order for customer care to arrange a transfer from a non-affiliated hospital to the affiliated hospital. Okay? So preventive care, ano ba yung kasali dito? It's passive and active vaccines for treatment of tetanus and animal bites should be covered up to 10,000 per year per member per year. Periodic monitoring of health problems, health education and counseling on diets and exercise, health habits and family planning counseling. So meron din ito annual check-up. Ano ba yung kasama sa annual check-up niya? Yung basic 5, which is history and physical exam, 1 CBC, history, CBC, routine, urinalysis, fecalysis, and chest X-ray. You can actually use this starting from the first 6 months, after 6 months from the date of effectivity nito. Okay? So meron din ito, optional is in dental care. You can use it exclusive for dental hub provider only. So my oral examination once a year, oral prophylaxis, simple tooth extraction, unlimited temporary fillings as needed, simple repair and adjustment of dentures, re-cementing of jacket, crowns, and bridges, inlay and onlay, palliative treatment of simple mouth sores and blisters, desensitization of hypersensitive teeth up to 2 teeth per year, permanent fillings, gum treatment, emergency dental treatment, and oral incision and drainage. Okay, so critical illness, optional din, you can choose to add. So meron siyang 42 critical illness. Okay? Gusto mo talaga itong maglaro-laro. Gusto mo maglaro-laro mo. Okay, so for this, merong dreaded disease condition. Ano ba yung covered niya for pagdating sa pre-existing condition? So, meron tayong dreaded disease and meron tayong non-dreaded disease. So, for the first year, the dreaded and non-dreaded disease are subject to the limits below. For the platinum plus, it's 20,000 pesos. Platinum is 15,000 pesos. The gold is 10,000 pesos and the silver is 5,000 pesos. So, wow. Pag dreaded condition siya, ganun pa rin yung limit niya throughout the year. And every year thereafter for life. Okay? So, and for the non-dreaded naman, subsequent year, on the second year, pwede up to MBL na. And all the acquired dreaded conditions. So, meaning ng acquired, signs and symptoms is lumabas after ng um, pag-common ng policy ng aftercare. So, after yan, within the year or after 2 years, ganun. So, kailangan sasabihin ng doktor na it started after monaco yung policy. So, yun yung acquired. Okay, ito yung mga examples ng dreaded condition. Like all malignancies, arthritis, chronic cardiovascular disease, yes, mga carcinoma, kidney failure, ganun. So, ito yung mga non-dreaded. Non-dreaded is all benign tumors, glaucoma, cervical polyps, if benign, hemorrhoids, yun. So, yun. So, yun. So, ito yung mga requirements na kailangan application form and the valid ID of the insured. Okay? Hoy, Maxi, Belsi! Sino? Ano man? Natatakot ka? May luto ako ng rice pati fish. Tawagin ko yun. Okay, so ito yung mga enrollment and abatement procedures natin. Ayun. So may mga exclusions din siya, like alcohol intake, drug use, ganon, violations of law. So yung mga disorders like autism, bipolar, cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, hindi siya kasali dito. So once that you will apply, I will give you also this proposal or this sample benefits and inclusions para mabasa niyo um, isa-isa. Okay? So this policy upon OR issuance, effective siya after 7 days. pagbayad ka na, tapos may OR ka na. So usually, OR mo naman ibibigay sa'yo on the day or within 24 hours on the date of payment. Okay, so yun lang naman. So ito yung rates, 2025 rates. Now, individual membership fees, kasali na dito yung VAT. And also, ito yung mga rider. If gusto niyo ng rider, ito din yung mga 2025 family membership fees. So, medyo mura siya sa individual. Parang nagkaka-discount yung siya. It, so, ito din yung if gusto mo ng rider. Okay? So, ito yung mga primary care clinics ni MaxiCare nationwide. Okay? So, as of today, si MaxiCare lang yung meron only labs kanilang sa mga HMO na alam ko. Okay, so kung sa iba naman, sa ibang clinic, magpa-check up, mababawasan lang sa MBL mo. Okay? So, yun. So, if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to message me and I'll get back to you. So, yun lang, and I will leave my contact information down below para makita niyo. So, yun lang. Goodbye, guys.